In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carousel in Google Sites. A carousel is a rotating gallery that lets you showcase multiple images in the same space, which is great for portfolios, event highlights, testimonials in image form, or any visual story you want to tell. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can get it done quickly and make it look polished. Start by opening your Google site and navigating to the page where you want the carousel to appear. It helps to think ahead about where it should live on the page, above the fold for high visibility, or within a section that gives it a little breathing room. Having a plan for placement will make the next steps smoother. On the right-hand panel, go to Insert, then choose Image Carousel. This opens the tool you'll use to load your images before you add anything. A quick tip: try to use images with a consistent aspect ratio and similar resolution. This keeps the carousel from jumping in height as it rotates and gives everything a cleaner, more professional feel. Now, bring in your images. You can upload files directly from your computer, or you can select images you already have stored in Google Drive or Google Photos. Both options work the same way, and you can mix sources if that's easier. Choose only the images you really want in the rotation. Fewer, higher quality visuals usually make a stronger impact. If you need to fine-tune the order, think through the sequence as you select so the story flows naturally from one slide to the next. With your images selected, you'll see the option to add titles or captions. This part is optional but highly recommended. Short, descriptive captions can clarify context, credit a source, or highlight key details without cluttering the image itself. Keep them concise and consistent in style so they complement the visuals rather than compete with them. When everything looks good, click Insert. The carousel will drop onto your page, and now you can fine-tune its size and placement. Drag the corner handles to scale it up or down and move it into position until it aligns with your layout. Keep an eye on spacing with nearby text or sections so it doesn't feel cramped. Centering often works well, but aligning with nearby elements can create a strong visual line that guides the reader's eye. That's it. You've added a clean, effective image carousel to your Google site, ready to showcase your visuals in a compact, engaging way.